Hello, my friend. Well, now the summer is here and everyone's looking for ways to make money online, I have just the thing for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make money in your sleep using AI. So with this method, you don't need any money to start. No experience at all. And best of all, it's super easy, and anyone can do it. So, if you're ready to make some good money this summer, then let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna need is an AI tool. And we're gonna be using an AI tool called Light Cafe. You can get started for free using the link in the description below. Now, when you sign up, you're going to want to choose one of these options here. If you want to be a freelancer and use this AI tool to make money, I recommend signing up with a creator account. But if you want to just use this AI tool for fun or maybe to make some money on the side, then you can go ahead and sign up with a personal account. Now, once you've signed up and logged into your account, it should look something like this. Now, before we move on, I need you to smash that like button. That really helps me out. And if you have any questions throughout this video, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer as many as possible. Also, stick around till the end because I am gonna be sharing with you guys a bunch of free traffic methods to get thousands of people seeing what you're putting on social media. All right. So, over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. We're only going to be focusing on two of them today. And those are the Story tab and the Post tab. So over here on the right-hand side, you can see exactly how much money you've made, your earnings and your balance. And over here on the left-hand side under the Settings tab is where you're going to want to put your PayPal email so that you can get paid. All right. So, now that we know where everything is located, we can get straight to making some money. So, the first thing that we need to do is actually create a social media presence. And this doesn't have to be on Instagram. You can do this on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and the list goes on. But for this video, I'm going to be choosing Instagram. So I'm gonna click on the Instagram tab right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on Add Account. So right here, you want to go ahead and enter your Instagram username and password. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click on Continue. So you can see I already have my Instagram connected to this AI tool. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and click on disconnect. And then gonna go ahead and reconnect it by clicking on connect. Once you've connected your Instagram account to this AI tool, you can now start creating content using this AI tool that will automatically be posted onto your Instagram account. So now that we have our Instagram account connected, we can get started on creating our first post. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to the post. And then from here, I am gonna go ahead and click on New Post. So what I am gonna do now is I am gonna type in a hashtag within the hashtags section. You can type in multiple hashtags. But for this video, we're only going to be sticking with one. So, I'm just going to type in crypto. Then I'm going to click on Generate Content, and then we're going to wait until this AI tool comes back with some content that we can use. Now, while we're waiting on this AI tool, I do want to let you know that there are multiple different types of posts that you can create using this AI tool. So, if you want to create videos, images, or even carousels, you can do that directly using this AI tool. But since I'm trying to keep this video short, we're going to stick with regular posts. All right, so here are the results from the AI tool. You can see they came back with 4 different captions that we can use, and also 4 different images that we can use. No! If you're not happy with any of the images that it generated, you can click on Regenerate Images, and it's going to give you 4 new different images. But for now, I'm happy with these images, so I'm just going to click on Next. Now we need to come up with a title for our post. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in cryptocurrency, then I'm going to go ahead and click on Done. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy the caption that I like the most. So I'm just gonna now go ahead and click on this little copy button right here, and then we gonna head over to our Instagram page. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Instagram right here, and then I am gonna head over to my drafts, and this is where we gonna paste in the caption that we just copied. So I am gonna go ahead and click on this little paste button right here, and then I am gonna go ahead and click on Publish, and then I am gonna go ahead and click on Share to Story. You can see now this post has been published onto both my Instagram feed and also my Instagram story. All right, so now let's talk about how much money we actually made from this post. So if we head back over to the main page and then we scroll down just a little bit, you're gonna see all of your different posts, and you're gonna see your earnings per post. So if I scroll down just a little bit more, you're gonna see I have one post and I've earned $2.80 from this post. So now we just have to sit back and wait for the money to come in. All right. So now I am gonna show you guys a few different ways that you can get thousands of people seeing what you're re-putting on social media. This is gonna help you make a lot more money. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to the website. Once you're on this website, you want to go ahead and create a free account. So once you've created your account, it should look something like this. Now you can see down here at the bottom where it says Get Free Traffic. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Once we click on that, you can see we have all these different methods that we can use to get free traffic. Now, if you want to get traffic on Instagram, you can either do it through Reddit or even Quora. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it through Pinterest. So the first thing that we gonna do is we gonna click on Pinterest right here, and then we gonna go ahead and click on Get Started. All right, so now we need to enter in our Pinterest username and password. I am gone. Go ahead and click on Continue, and then we gone. Go ahead and reconnect it by clicking on Connect. So, now that we've connected our Pinterest account, we can now use Pinterest to get free traffic to our social media posts. All right, so now that we know how to get traffic to our social media posts, we can go ahead and get started. So, the first thing that we need to do is actually create a pin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on pins right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on create a pin. So what I am gonna do now is I am gonna go ahead and click on this little upload button right here, and I am gonna upload an image from one of my previous posts. Now once my image has uploaded, I am gonna go ahead and click on save, and then I am gonna go ahead and type in the URL to my post. So right here where it says destination URL, I am just gone. Now go ahead and paste in the URL to the post that I just made. Now once I've entered in the URL to my post, I am gone. Now go ahead and click on save. Then I'm gonna go ahead and click on publish, and then we gonna go ahead and click on publish to. All right, so now that we've published our pin, we can go ahead and click on done, and then we can go ahead and add another pin. So now you want to go ahead and repeat the process that I just showed you. And you want to do this for at least 5 to 10 different posts. The more posts you do this for, the more money you're going to make. All right, so now that you know how to use this AI tool to make money in your sleep, all I ask in return is if you could just smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. When you do that, you let the platform know that you want to see more videos just like this one. Also, make sure to stay updated, because I'm going to be posting new videos every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.